Welcome to viewers and students. Today we will discuss about the concepts of alternate angles and corresponding angles. Now let us discuss what is transversal here. So we'll draw two lines, say these two are lines, straight lines. Suppose this is L and this is M. Now let us draw another line. Say this is N. Now this line, the line N intersects L and M. Right? This line is crossing this line L and M. The line N is called transversal. This line is called transversal. So what is transversal? It's a line which intersects two or more straight lines. Now you see we got a pair of angles here. This pair of angles, these angles are on the same side of the transversal. They are on the same side of the transversal and in between the lines, right? In between the lines and the same side of the transversal. So they are called interior angles. Similarly, this angle and this angle, they are also on the same side of the transversal. They are left side of the transversal and in between the lines, right? Not outside the lines, in between the lines. They are also called interior angles. So let us name these angles. Suppose this is 1, this is 2, 3 and 4, suppose. So angle 1, angle 2 are interior angles. Similarly, angle 3 and angle 4 are interior angles. Right? Now this angle, so obviously this is exterior, this angle is outside. Let us denote this, say 5 and 6. Similarly, let us denote this 7. So this is 7 and this is suppose 8. They are exterior. Angle 5, angle 6 are exterior. Angle 7 and angle 8, suppose 8 are exterior angles. Right? So we understood what are interior angles, what are exterior angles, right? Now you see angle 1 and angle 4, they are opposite side of the transversal and in between the lines. Angle 1 and angle 4, they are lying on opposite side of the transversal and in between the lines. So angle 1 and 4 are called alternate angle. Similarly, angle 3 and 2 are called alternate angle, right? Now think about these two angles, angle 5 and 2. You see angle 5 and 2, they are on the same side of the transversal and you see their orientation on the same side of the transversal and same side of the lines. So this angle is on the outside of this line, means this angle is also on the outside of this line, means on the same side of the line. So angle 2 and 5, angle 2 and 5 are called corresponding angle. Corresponding angles. Similarly, angle, you see, angle 1 and 6, angle 1 and 6, 1 and 6, they are on the same side of this transversal, and they are, see, downward, right? 1 and 6, they are downward. Just like angle 2 and 5, they are upward. Angle 1 and 6, they are downward. We call them corresponding angles. Angle 1 and angle 6, they are corresponding. Similarly, angle 3 and 8. Similarly, angle 7 and 4. These are also corresponding angles. So what we understood here is alternate angles are on the opposite side of the transversal, and corresponding angles are on the same side of the transversal, right? So angle 7 and 8, angle 7 and 4, 7 and 4 are corresponding angle. Similarly, angle 3 and 8, 3 and 8 are on the same side of the transversal, and they are downward, so they are called corresponding angles. Now let us make another two lines. Say these two are straight lines. Now you see they are parallel lines. Now let us make it transversal here. This is transversal. This is N, L and M. So we got two lines, line L parallel to line M, right? N is a transversal. Now you see corresponding angles, this angle and this angle. Say this is 1 and 2. Now if two lines are parallel, then angles created by transversal, corresponding angles created by transversal will be equal. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Similarly, angle 3 equal to angle 4. 3 equal to angle 4. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. Angle 5 and angle 6. Angle 5 equal to angle 6, corresponding angle. Similarly, angle 7 equal to angle 8. Angle 7 equal to angle 8. These are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Again, when two lines, parallel lines, are intersected by a transversal, alternate angles will be same, equal. Alternate angles here, angle 3 equal to angle 6. What are alternate angles? They are on the opposite side of the transversal and in between lines. Alternate interior angle, 3 equal to 6, angle 7 equal to angle 2. Alternate interior. Similarly, you can find alternate exterior angle like angle 5 equal to angle 4, angle 1 equal to angle 8. They are alternate exterior angles. So what we understood is when two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, corresponding angles are equal, alternate angles are equal, alternate interior angles are equal, alternate exterior angles are also equal. Angle 5 and 4, they are alternate angle, they are opposite side of the transversal and they are outside, exterior, outside. Similarly, angle 1 and 8, they are opposite side of the transversal and they are outside. So they are also equal. So this property is applicable for more than 3 lines. Say you draw more than 2 parallel lines. Suppose here is another parallel line. Say this is, and one more parallel line suppose. Now let us draw a transversal here. So this is N, this straight line we call it L, M, say this is P, say this is Q. So transversal is N. Now you can define too many corresponding angles. This is 1 is corresponding to 2 and 3 and 4. So you will write it as angle 1 equal to angle 2, angle 3 equal to angle 4. Similarly, you will find corresponding angle on the other side of the transversal. Say it is 5, this is 6, 7 and 8. So angle 5 equal to angle 6 equal to angle 7 equal to angle 8. These are corresponding angles. Now you define alternate angles. Alternate angles, can you define this angle alternate? Say this is 9, then this is alternate interior. Alternate angle, this angle is alternate to angle 9. So angle 6 equal to angle 9. Similarly, angle, this is suppose 10, angle 10 equal to angle 7. Similarly, this is say 11, angle 8 equal to angle 11. Now on the other side of the transversal, this angle is equal to this angle. So let us name it as 12. Angle 12 equal to angle 2. Then angle 13 equal to angle 3. Then angle 14 equal to angle 4. Alternate interior. Now you can find out alternate exterior angle also. Like suppose this is 15, 16. So you can say angle 1 equal to 16, 5 equal to 15, right? Alternate exterior angle. Or you can say angle 3 equal to angle 16, 7 equal to 15, 6 equal to 11, 2 equal to 14, 10 equal to 5, 1 equal to 10 equal to 5 equal to 10, 1 equal to 13. These are alternate exterior angles, right? So we name these as alternate angles. So we conclude that when two or more lines are intersected, parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, corresponding angles are equal and alternate angles are also equal. Now suppose you find that two lines are intersected by a transversal. Suppose this is N, L, M. these two lines are intersected by a transversal and you do not know that L is parallel to M, but say you are given that this angle is 110 degree and this angle is 110 degree. So this condition is enough to conclude that L is parallel to M. Let us denote this like A, O, B, P, Q, R. Now angle A, O, Q equal to angle R, Q, O equal to 110 degree. Since they are alternate angles, therefore L is parallel to M. That means one pair of alternate angle, if you can say one pair of alternate angles are equal, then it is enough to say L is parallel to M. Similarly, if you are given two lines, say this angle is say 60 degree, this angle is 60 degree, L, M, then L is parallel to M. Since corresponding angles are equal, so one pair of corresponding angles are enough to say these two lines are parallel. So with the help of alternate angle and corresponding angles, you can verify whether lines are parallel or not. And when you are given lines are parallel, then you can say alternate angles and corresponding angles are equal, right? Now we will verify a few questions. We will solve a few questions. Suppose you are given this figure. Suppose you are given this figure. This is x plus 10 degree. This is y plus 8 degree. This is 95 degree. Right? So you are given that this ray, suppose OA, and this ray, suppose this line, suppose PQ, this is suppose ray R, and you are given that AO, ray OA is parallel to line segment PQ. This is given, right? Find x and y. You have to find x and y. Now you are given two lines. They are parallel to each other, right? This line PQ and this line OA, they are parallel to each other, and there is a transversal here, and y plus 8, this is y plus 8 degree, x plus 10 degree. Now when two lines are intersected by a transversal, alternate angles are equal. So we'll find it out easily. Since OA parallel to PQ, therefore angle AOP equal to angle OPQ. Why? They are alternate angles. So when two lines are parallel, the alternate angles created by transversal are equal. Therefore, x plus 10 equal to y plus 8. That means x minus y equal to minus 2. Right? Now, let us extend this line. Suppose again you got alternate angle here, corresponding angle here. these two lines are also parallel. It is given that OP is also parallel to QR, ray QR, right? Now when two lines are parallel, the sum of the interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary, right? OP is parallel to QR, therefore y plus 8 plus 95 equal to 180. Angle y plus 8 plus 95 equal to 180. See, these are two parallel lines. This is a transversal. Sum of the interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. So they are supplementary. Y equal to 180 minus 95 minus 8. So you got it. Y 180 minus 95 minus 8, 180 minus 103, 7 minus 0 is 7. So you got y equal to 77. Therefore x minus 77 equal to minus 2, x equal to 77 minus 2, x equal to 75. So you got x equal to 75, y equal to 77. Now you can verify x plus 10. X plus 10 equal to 75 plus 10 means 85. Y plus 8. Y means 77 plus 8 equal to 85. Same. So it is correct. So when we are given AO parallel to PQ, we got that alternate angles are equal. So we find a relationship between x and y. Again, this line is parallel to ray QR. So the sum of the interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. So we got another relation. From here we can find y equal to 77 degree. So we derive that x equal to 75. Now you can also use another trick here. Suppose you do not know this property that sum of the interior angles on the same side of the transversal of two parallel lines are supplementary. You do not know this property. Let us use the concept of corresponding angles here. This angle is 95 degree. So what is this angle? Since they are linear pair, so you can find it out. This is also 180 minus 95. 180 minus 95. That means 10 minus 5, 5. 17 minus 9, 8. So this angle is 85 degree. So in that way also you can see y plus 8 equal to 85, since they are corresponding angles. So what is y? 85 minus 8, 77. That way also you can find y, right? We are extending this line PQ to constitute another ray, suppose as OS, QS. Then a pair of corresponding angles are created. This angle OPQ, RQS, they are corresponding angles. So they are equal when two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal. Corresponding angles are equal. So y plus 8 equal to 85. How do we got 85? These two angles are supplementary. They are linear pair. Since it is 95, that means this angle is 85. So y plus 8 equal to 85. Y equal to 77. If y equal to 77, from this relationship x minus y equal to 2, you can solve x equal to 75. Okay, thank you viewers for watching this video. We will discuss more examples on corresponding angles and alternate angles in the next class. Bye bye.